Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 12 best guitar stands that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 12. Zither Wooden Guitar Stand. The first product on the list is a handcrafted wooden guitar stand. As being handmade and is also comprehend two premium quality of wood materials. The vertical stand is elegantly curved in the shape of a guitar on which your guitar is clipped on by the hook situated on the top. The guitar hangs from its headstock, hence giving a luxurious and elegant look to your guitar. This guitar stand is a perfect option for your acoustic guitar, or even electric guitar can be placed or hung from it, but trust me, it won't look suit. On an electric guitar has a distinctly different vibe, while an acoustic guitar has a proper luxurious vibe suiting your stand design. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 11. Neboic Real Hardwood Electric Acoustic Bass Guitar. This hardwood Neboic guitar stand is a reliable option to go with if you own or is planning to own an acoustic or electric guitar. Besides that, it comes in handy when you want to take your guitar in a bonfire or a party and is not sure where to put it. Well, this guitar stand comes into play in that situation, as it is foldable, thus making it portable and is easy to carry around with your guitar. Like the previous one that I mentioned, it is also made with hardwood to give off a sturdy and sleek vibe, but is not handcrafted. The design structure can be combined either with an electric or acoustic guitar. Number 10. Dehydra Hydra 6-legged triple guitar stand. This modern-looking guitar stand is a uniquely designed piece of metal. Yes, it has a metal-built material combined with TPE-grade silicon cradles, which provides this stand durability and versatility. As in the image, it can indeed withhold about 3 guitars at once, and it is the first one present with this feature on this list. Furthermore, it is 6 hexagonal legs situated at the bottom to make it sturdy and provide enormous amount of support. Other than that, 3 of the legs have a gravity-activated locking mechanism, thus it is not easy to tip it over. Moreover, it is adjustable to a particular guitar size, hence giving it a versatility to hang metal head guitars. Talking about hanging, the guitars is hung from the stock head, hence making it even safer and scratch-proof. From the bottom. Number 9. Bauhaus Triple Guitar Stand. Similar to the previous one, this metallic-built guitar stand has a similar design, though not a complex one. What do I mean by that statement? Let me explain. As the previous one had a 6-legged hexagonal bottom, well, this does not have that, rather has a quite simple and minimalistic design. Other than that, it can house 3 guitars at once, which can be useful if you have a collection of guitars or a guitar store. Moreover, it can also accommodate even guitar bases or dreadnought guitar design layout. Furthermore, it has soft pads for hanging your guitars comfortably with a sturdy 3-legs triple layout design at the bottom, making it sturdy and durable. Number 8. Clean Guitar Wall Mount Hanger. Now, moving on to a different design. It is a wall mount for hanging guitars. The hard metallic fused with plastic propellers house an auto grip locking system tested and verified by Yokit as a secure and safety feature that automatically locks your guitar in place for preventing it from falling. Moving towards the base, it is made with hardwood, thus proving to be reliable and sturdy. It is easy to assemble and install in no time, hence mounting screws and drywall anchors are provided in the package. Even to gain the trust of their customers, the company also provides a lifetime warranty of the product. Number 7. Van Gogh Ags 3-folding anti-slipping guitar stand. The feature that makes this product the best purchase for guitar stands is the packaging. It includes a pack of 5 picks with 6 fill-sized strings, which can be a useful accessory for your guitar. Other than that, it has a plastic-built material, making it a light product. The first product on this list, which is both lightweight and portable. You might be wondering how it is portable. It has a foldable design, which makes it convenient for transportation purposes. The features don't end here, as it is the best single guitar stand for further support. It has anti-skid pads situated at the bottom surface, preventing it to slip or slide. Number 6. ChromaCast Folding A Frame Stand. This guitar stand is first on this list, as it has a frame design that can be easily folded and transported. This guitar stand gives the musician feasibility and versatility of moving it on a day-to-day use. Now, let's discuss the built material and structure. It is made with chrome and metal, thus giving the musician a durable feel, and it can be used roughly. The most important thing or feature about this product is its uplifted face look, which gives the musician a place to easily rest their guitar. Other than that, the uplifted face also keeps the guitar high from ground, keeping it safe and secure from the ground level scratches. Talking about the scratches, you would be worried about the stand holder, as it covers the bottom face of the guitar, right? Well, you should not, as the holder in this stand is covered with a soft, foamed rubber type material that can never scratch or damage your guitar at any cost. Number 5. Gator Framework Seat and Ergonomic Backrest Guitar Stand. Well, this is the first product for me and on this list, which is a performance-ready guitar stand. It is a simple chair, but by having a guitar stand rods at the bottom of the chair which is foldable, thus being portable and decreasing the storage space. It is a stand when you are not ready for performance. You can rest your guitar at the rods, which are covered with rubber foam protecting your guitar finish. When ready to perform, you can quickly pick your guitar and sit on the chair and perform your best, while adding a class and elegance to the musician. It can withhold around the weight of 300 pounds and is made with a proper metallic structure, hence making it durable and reliable. Number 4. Fender Mini Acoustic Guitar Stand. This minimal-looking design is from Fender, which is renowned in the music industry, producing accessories for various instruments, so you can rely on the quality and durability of their products. Now, about this specific product, it has a mini-structured design and it is foldable. While being foldable, it increases the chances of portability. About the portability feature, it is portable as it weighs around 1.5 pounds, so it won't bother you if you merge them with your traveling bag. Finally, in the end, it is covered from all sides which are making contact with guitar to save the finish of your guitar. Number 3. Hercules GS415BA G Guitar Stand. This is a type of yoke design that does not have base. Instead of had it as a tripod stand, which can result in sturdy. First of all, it has a headstock holder which helps your guitar hang from the headstock, which most guitarists prefer. It also has a lean back which makes your guitar hang in a slant manner, which is way better than hanging vertically. Furthermore, all the contact points with the guitar are covered with hard foam rubber. With all these features, it is a vital option for all the guitarists whole or traveling here and there, as it has an adjustable head and foldable tripod legs, which makes it ideal for portability. Number 2. JX15 Na Hardwood Guitar Holder. Well, for all those who got excited on the wall mount holder or hanger for guitars, here is another one if that doesn't suit your preference. This wall mount is made with a different built material with a wooden base and metallic holders for this stand with the rubber protected ends to give off a sleek and traditional look to your collection room. It is durable and sturdy, which is mounted from the wall. With the package, a screw and wall mounting grip is also provided, thus making it the best deal for all the beginners or even professional musicians, guitarists. It has a solid and heavy feel to it, making it strong and reliable. Other than that, it can weigh approximately 50 pounds of weighing, thus making it ideal for any sort of guitar or stringed instrument. Number 1. Fender 5 Multi-Stand. Taking a slight turn on design factor, it is a commercially used guitar stand that can be usually found in the backstage room or a musician trailer. A unique feature of this product is that it's the first one on this list to hold up to 5 guitars at once, hence making it a vital source of mass storage. Yes, I know it is expensive, but provides the consumer most important feature: it provides you with storage of guitars. If you are a professional musician, you would require this piece of guitar accessory, as it can be used as a commercial item. With a premium building material, it is a sturdy and solid piece of accessory. Furthermore, all the contacting points are covered with solid foam rubber, which known to be durable and standard in these types of products. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.